Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and I just shared two files on my Facebook page, which is CorelDRAW one word file share. And if you're not a member, just ask to be a member. If you don't have over 100 Facebook pages to your credit, I'll let you in. I've got a lot of people that had, somebody the other day had 1,400 pages. Well, you're not going to get in, but that's beside the point. I've had one of these up for a while. This one right here, there's a wedding for somebody getting married, and then I just recently made one for somebody that's been married for 50 years. And you could change the text if you don't like what I've said. All you have to do is change the date and the names and the name and the names up here in their hat. Now, so the 50-year one is this one, these two right here, they're on one file called 50-year wedding deal. And this one is called just wedding deal with cars. So you have to open them up separately, but I put them all four on here on the video just to kind of show you what it would look like. And the only difference between the two, like this one has the cross in a different spot, and you can change all that to your liking. The other one, this is my old style car that the wheels were just kind of half round, and you can see these bars aren't perfect. Well, I went through one day, it was raining and didn't have anything to do, and I made these bars perfect. I made the wheels more symmetrical. And I don't know which one I really like. I'm doing one of these for a 50-year, and they really like this. So this has just married, where this has 50 years, so you need to watch which one you're doing. And then you can type in their name and put it in there like this. Or in the past, I've taken and I've changed up the letters to kind of make them fit inside the car. That's very easily done. You could do it with the envelope tool, but you could also do it in just with the shape tool. So you've got it all, they're all grouped together when you get them, so ungroup them. And then click on this name and Control K first before you do anything. And then turn that letter into and you can do them all at the same time. You could click on that one, hold down the shift key, click on the E, the N, and then right click and turn them into a curve. Well, I guess you have to go up here to object to turn them into a curve. Now they're all curved. And you could use the envelope tool, but sometimes in this configuration it doesn't really work. Then you could grab the nodes and just kind of make it fit inside that car to your, in that space of the car until your heart's content. And, make them, like take this and drop it down, take the R and drop it down. You could do a lot with this, kind of make it look like it's kind of unique and set into that car like you took some time. And this would be a good point to maybe hold down the Alt key. You need to click on it first, then hold down the Alt key, because you don't want any of those upper nodes. And then you could bring this down a little bit and just kind of make it like that. And this is a good lesson right here. Let's say you like that. Let's do a little bit more of a change, holding down the Alt key. So I'll just get this part of the object and let's grow it up a little bit. Let's take all these and let's take the Alt key and select, and then you just kind of, doesn't look like a G or an E. I'm kind of disappointed in that. But let's go back and let's say you like that E. Well, you can use it again, Control D, and make a duplicate of it and just put it in the spot so they're identical. And then you could take the shape tool again and grab those nodes and put it down. Just kind of make it look like it's kind of fitting in that car a little uniquely. I've done this with better letters than the E. The E's kind of hard up top, but you can see, so that's easily done. And then just the text is all separated, and just change out the name and the date. And you can use either one, but just, delete this and delete the names, don't forget to delete all the names on top. And I've actually before done text a path, and then it looks just as well just having a straight name. I've cleaned up the car a little bit. If you look, the bumper's different in the old car versus the new car. The back bumper's a little bit different. It's mainly the wheels, but feel free to use them. These are 11 by 14 by 11, 11 by 14, and you can make them any size you want. Let's say you need to get the frame, so let's grab all the frame and everything, and so you can make it any size you want if you stretch out the whole car. And then if you kind of group that together with Control G, you could make it 24 by 18 and unlock this and make it a normal frame. Kind of squishes it up a little bit, but who's going to know? The only thing you need to be careful is your overlap of your frame. You need to make sure you got plenty of room around the outside. But anyway, feel free to use that, and thank you for watching.